Yathish, how is it possible that you broke that rod?
Sir, please subscribe to this channel. Now let's play.
We just finished packing and we're all set to move. All the 3 bikes are loaded. Yathish is waiting to ride. Look at that. We planned to start at 8, but we're starting at 9. That's okay. Even my glass is fogging up, ra. Center shake ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನೀನು. Let's move. So welcome back to the channel. This is day 2 of our ride to Meghalaya. We're starting from Ongole. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the place. The name of the place is Sri Kanya Residency, I guess. Yeah. So that was the place where we stayed last night. It's a pretty decent place. Costed us 1,500 for 3 people with AC. Budget trip, budget stays, budget food. That's what we're trying to do. Keep the costing as low as possible. We'll try to cover some distance today. Compared to yesterday's 500 kilometer ride, we'll do a little more today. Feels much better now after picking up a little pace, you know. It's quite humid out here and we're in this gear. We start sweating a lot. Mom! ಹಂಗೋಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ತಾನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Thanks. So yeah, that route is closed, so we have to go back this way and climb this flyover. And we're back on the highway. That's quick, you know. We didn't enter the city, in the town. We just got into the arch, where there's an arch to enter the town. We found a place to stay there. It was decent, so decided to stay there. Rajahmundry, Bhubaneswar and Kolkata. Keep going straight. Traffic. We are in Vizag city traffic. Vizag. Akkadi nunchi Meghalaya. 3 weeks. Just finished lunch here at this restaurant on the highway. We crossed Vijayawada. We're heading towards Rajahmundry now. General meals, nothing special for lunch now. It's windy, it's sunny, the roads are not in good shape to ride in, so it is taking a little time. So we're done with lunch at Ratna's family restaurant. So refreshing once we start moving. Otherwise it's like an oven inside here. In December, just imagine during the summer. All broken roads, repatched and all that. They won't be working on these anymore as road widening is happening. So this is going to take some time. All paddy fields on my left and my right as well. Yathish and Rahul were behind me after lunch. I started in front, so I was in front all this while. It's been a while now since I was waiting for them to catch up. Guys, I spoke to Yathish. They're coming a little slow. Since we started from lunch, what has happened, he is experiencing some noise in his like some metallic sound, I guess. I'm not sure what it is. He couldn't explain it to me exactly. So they're on their way. We're waiting for them. They're about 5 or 6 kilometers behind me. Let's see. Hope everything's fine. So we have one more problem with Yathish's Royal Enfield, specifically Yathish's Royal Enfield. I'll show you what it is. You see this rod? Focus. Yeah. This rod is broken. How it is broken, Yathish will explain how did he break it.
I have no idea how it broke.
Huh? Yathish, how is it possible that you broke that rod?
Anything is possible when you have a Royal Enfield. So you have to be like very careful about the nuts and bolts
This I'll
of the
accept.
bike.
This I have to accept. I can't give it. But the rod breaking in the center
Yeah,
is...
you can't even imagine. So this is going to happen to your bike. So these are the conditions when you own a Royal Enfield.
You have to expect the unexpected. Those are the actual words to be used. Buying a Royal Enfield is not important. Maintaining it royally is very, very important. Okay, let's go. Let's not waste time. We need to find a showroom where they have stock of that. We did call up a Royal Enfield service center. It was 8 kilometers from here, but they said they don't have stock of that stay rod. So we decided to head to Rajahmundry, which is a bigger town compared to where we are right now. So let's see. Hope we find it there. Just look at the length of this bridge. Wow. This is the old bridge. That's the recently constructed one. There's hardly any water. Compared to its size, there's no water at all. Look at that. So we got the broken rod fixed. We didn't find the service center, but I found a spare part center where we could get it fixed. So
And it is costing me $135.
So we're done with Yathish's bike repair. Solved the issue. We'll stop for some juice or chai or tender coconut. Time for a short break. But not here. We'll get onto the highway and then take a break. So much of disturbance while making videos. It is not at all possible to use such videos like that. Don't scold me. You have to adjust. Especially you. Don't blame. Noise is there. So we stopped here to have fresh fruit juice. I finished drinking. I was trying to do some time lapse with the sunset and it didn't happen. My ND filter didn't support the camera. So Rahul is doing it on his camera and bike there. We'll see. I'll share that footage. If it's good, he will show. No.
We have a new blogger. Please subscribe to his channel. Rahul is Pilai.
Yet to start. Yathish also has channel, but he's not uploading videos. That is the thing. Hippie on wheels is there. Hippie is only going around. Hippie is not uploading videos. That is a problem. We're done with our short break. We got a longer ride now. I mean, we have about 160 kilometers, huh? Yeah, about 160 kilometers to Visakhapatnam. Catch you back on the road. Thank you, na. So we gathered some attention at the juice shop here. Just had a small quick chat with them. have 148 kilometers to Visakhapatnam. It's dark, a lot of traffic, the road's not in good shape, so it will be a late halt. We decided not to stay anywhere else as of now.